Thank you for choosing Heng Sheng Spring as your spring resource. In this video, we will be covering how to measure extension springs. Tools we recommend you have before you start are a micrometer, which should be used whenever possible, calipers, and a ruler or tape measure for large springs. In this video, we will be using this extension spring to show the steps clearly. First, we will want to measure the wire diameter. Come and practice to measure the wire diameter in two different spots using a micrometer and take the advantage. For this spring, the wire diameter is 3.038 mm. Next, we will measure outside diameter, commonly referred to as OD. For this spring, it is 20.59 mm. When possible, it's best to measure the outside diameter in the middle of the spring because the end coils tend to run large. You see our online form, an option for inside diameter or ID. As with most springs, inside diameter is typically hard to measure accuracy, so use the outside diameter whenever possible. Then we will measure the body length. The body is considered coiled portion. It doesn't include the hooks or loops. For this spring, we're using a ruler, but for smaller spring, using calipers or micrometers is the best option. This spring is 67 mm. You can also provide the number of coils when using our online form. Remember to count each full rotation. Lastly, we will measure the overall length. This is the length over the top of each end, or outside to outside. The overall length of this spring is 103 mm.